Okay, there is Sunday. So, Sentoka viewpoint, coffee point. Like that. So, coffee chitong be. So this is Sentoka zone. So it was built in 1628. This is one of the oldest zones in Bhutan. So just now I'm drinking a coffee. It's Americano. Behind me is Sentoka zone, and you can even see the Buddha there. It's called Kunsal Phodang. So next time I'll make a video for that place. And this is where we get the coffee. And this is where I park the bike. And this is right behind me. See the view. Okay, now we're going to Mr. Khaled's place. So he's going to show me some of his collections. Collections of some blades from Bhutan. So he says he has lots of different kinds of blades collected from Bhutan. So he's a big fan of blades. So let's see what he have. So he also has Shisha. So I'm going to try it once today. This is collection from Bhutan. Wow, very beautiful handi. This is called dozom.
Dozom.
Yes, this is dozom. This is dozom. So this is tari. Tari. This is dozom. This is dozom.
I like this one.
Wow, this is made by Desuk, right?
Yes, all dozom. No,
Yes.
not all. This one.
Oh, this is my.
This one from Bhutan.
This is antique. This is antique. Yes, good collection.
This two from Bhutan.
This we call it kukuri.
Kukuri.
It's not from Bhutan actually. It's from
Nepal.
Nepal. Yes, yes, kukuri. So it's getting late and I'm going back to my place. So it was a fun day. Mr. Khaled has very good taste in plate. So his plates are wonderful. He even gifted me one of his collections plate. It's called dozom. So he gave me one. So thank you so much, Mr. Khaled, for the wonderful gift. And thank you everybody. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video.